Most men spend their lives chasing women, texting first, begging for attention, trying to prove their worth. But what if I told you, the moment you stop doing one thing, everything flips? She starts chasing you. She starts thinking about you. She starts wondering what makes you different from every other man. And this isn't a trick. It's not manipulation. It's pure stoic discipline. The kind of mindset that made men like Marcus Aurelius unforgettable. Today I'll reveal exactly what this one thing is and why it changes everything. Epictetus once said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." And that's the key. Women chase men who don't chase them because those men are too busy mastering themselves. When you have this shift, you no longer beg, you no longer overthink, and you no longer lose sleep wondering what she's doing. Instead, you live in such a way that she has no choice but to notice. 1. Stop giving her constant attention. The truth is, she won't value what is always available. When you're always texting first, always showing up, always waiting on her reply, she loses respect. But the moment you pull back, when you stop flooding her with attention, she feels your absence. And that's when curiosity begins. 2. Redirect energy into purpose. Women don't chase men who chase them. They chase men who are chasing a purpose. The moment you shift your focus from her to building your body, your mind, your career, your mission, she feels the difference. Your energy is no longer desperate, it's magnetic. 3. Master your emotional control. Most men fail here. They react when she pulls away. They get angry, needy, insecure. But the stoic man, he stays calm. He doesn't panic when she goes silent. He doesn't beg when she tests him. And ironically, that's when she chases, because self-control is rare and irresistible. 4. Set boundaries without fear. She chases the man who has standards. The moment you stop tolerating disrespect, excuses, or games, you separate yourself from the crowd. She may test you, but if you stand firm, she feels both challenged and safe, and that makes her pursue you. 5. Live as if she's not the center of your world. Here's the biggest secret. She chases when she feels you're complete without her. When your happiness isn't tied to her moods. When your confidence doesn't depend on her attention. When your life is fulfilling on its own, she realizes she's dealing with a man of true value. That's the man she can't walk away from. So what's the one thing that makes her chase you? It's the moment you stop chasing her and start mastering yourself. Pull back your attention. Redirect your energy into purpose. Control your emotions. Set your boundaries. Live as if you're already complete. That's when she notices the shift. That's when the balance flips. That's when she starts chasing you. Remember, attraction isn't about what you do for her. It's about who you become without her. Stay calm, stay strong, stay stoic. This is the stoic.